A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox my beauty and skincare haul from Korea. I ordered a parcel about, I want to say 5 weeks ago. And due to the virus and all this crazy stuff happening, it only arrived recently, and I left it outside to just, let it air out, let all the microbes die and stuff like that. And yeah, today I'm gonna unpack it because I'm in desperate need of facial cleansers, creams, and all that good stuff. I bought the Innisfree Daily Sensitive Sunscreen SPF 50 plus. I've used this sunscreen. Is it the same sunscreen? Hold on. I'm a little bit... Oh no, it's not. Hold on, wait a second. Oh yeah, I know what I did there. So this was the previous one that I ordered, and I've been using it for a year, and it's super empty now. There's just a tiny little bit left, and yeah, I needed something new. So this was the old one. It was the Daily Mild Sunscreen, and this is the Daily Sensitive Sunscreen. I have no idea what the difference is apart from the size. It doesn't even say how much it is. Oh yeah, wait, 50 ml both. But how can they fit 50 ml here when it previously had to fit in there? I'm confused. Anyways, I got this one a year ago and this one today. The Innisfree Green Tea Sleeping Mask, which, hold on, which I had before, this one. And this is absolutely empty. There is nothing coming out of it anymore, I think. Let me try. Oh, there's stuff coming out of there. Shy. Yeah. Well, okay. There's actually still stuff in it. In general, the Innisfree products do, and especially the green tea range they have, gives me that feeling that my skin is really hydrated, and I really notice a difference in my skin since I ran out of all my Innisfree products. Well, let's see if this actually still looks the same. It looks the same. Yeah, same size, same style, everything the same. Okay, I got... Oh, this looks different. Oh, this is like totally different. It says Brightening Pore Facial Cleanser, Hallabong Daily Skin Bright. I think I might have bought the wrong one. I wanted the Tangerine Peel one. I don't think this is the one because it doesn't say. So it looked the same in the picture, or almost the same. Oh no, oh, this is disappointing. Let me have a look. Oh, okay. No, it's not the same. I wanted the tangerine one. It smells so good of oranges, and it really worked so well for my skin. Okay, well, I'm gonna try this one and see if it works for my skin too, but I'm so disappointed right now. Okay, well, what else do I have? Did I show you? No, wait, there was something else in there. I mean, on the one hand side, I find it cool that they wrap everything so securely, but on the other hand side, it's so much plastic. But then again, I can keep that for if I want to ship something myself that needs protection. Protection sounds like this is a condom or something. Yeah, I got the Innisfree, like this is a first time. This is the Innisfree Apple Seed Cleansing Oil. So I ordered this because I thought that I wanted to double cleanse properly. And before that I only used this. And since I ran out of this, I bought a bar of facial soap. Like this is specifically for the face, but I don't really like it that much. The smell is okay. I mean, it smells of natural ingredients. I mean, it is like a natural ingredient brand, natural cosmetics brand, but it doesn't really make my skin feel that clean. I think I ordered this in because I wanted to have some sort of day cream. Like I wanted to use this as a day cream and this as a night cream. Oh, I love this. I love their green tea range. It's just so good. It hydrates, it smells good, it has good ingredients. I'm just all for it. On to the last item, the Innisfree Soybean Energy Neck Cream X, whatever the X stands for right now. Naturally fermented soybean extract and soybean oil from Jeju Island. That's it for today. That's my entire beauty haul from Korea for this time. I'm sure there will be a next time pretty soon again. Until then, I hope you enjoyed this video. You stay home, you stay healthy, you stay safe. You give this video a thumbs up and share and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!